Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite RPA channel, RPA Automation. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our RPA tutorials and interview tips. So, in today's video, we are going to see or learn about one of the most important and secure feature in Automation Anywhere, the credential vault. Right. So, first of all, what is credential vault? This question is very, very important, and so many in the interview, this question is ask. So I thought I need to make a video on that. So in today's video, we are going to see credential vault. So let's start with the basic. The credential vault in Automation Anywhere A360 is a secure place to store and manage sensitive information like your username, your password, your API keys, and more. So instead of hard coding them directly into your bot, this ensures better security and compliance. So next question you can say, why should we use credential vault? Right. So now, credential vault is providing better security. You can store sensitive data is as encrypted. And next one is centralized management. You can view access as per your requirement. Admin can control who can access what. Right. Audit ready activities are logged. And next is avoid hard code passwords. Bots become bots become reusable and secure. Right. So you can see live how we can create credential and store data into them. So in the manage section, you can see you can see credential is tab is available. So I have already created one login credential for the video purpose. So if you want to create, just we need to click on this plus icon. Here you can view your any credential name. Here you can describe where, for which purpose you are going to create this credential. You can describe here and attribute. You can view here attribute like your username, your API key, your password, your environment variable, like any sensitive information you can give here as attribute. And here you can see standard and user provided. Standard means you can't edit; it will be static. And user provided, you can see they have explain here if this is a user provided attribute when the credential is added to a locker and email will be sent to the consumers of the locker. They will be asked to input their information into this field. Right. So you can get as a user provided input. And here you can do values. Right. And in the security tab, you can say you want to hide your input data or your credentials. So you can check on this box as a mask. And if you want to use attribute only and password or mask field, so if you want to use this attribute only in the password field, for that you can select this checkbox, and it will be invisible. Only you can see attribute there. Right. So likewise, you can create multiple credentials, and once you created a credential, then you can see your variable in the credentials. So how we can use that credential variable into your taskbar? For that, you need to send this your credential variable into the locker. So how we can send this credential variable into the locker for the security purpose? So for that, go to the credential. Go to the credential. Sorry, I want to leave this page. Go to the credentials and click on this locker tab. So in the locker tab, click on if you want to put your credential variable into the locker. For that, you just need to click on this plus icon, and here, here you can give any locker name or description as per if you want to give. You can give here, and here you can see all your credential will be visible, which you have created in the credential. So I have created this login credential, but I have this checked out. Uh, this credential variable I have checked out into this there, right? So once you check your credential variable, so this variable you can see in the check section, right? After that, you can assign different types of rules depending upon your access and requirement. So after that, you check your credential variable and you just need to click on this create locker button, right? Then once you keep your credential variable into the locker, then go to the automation tab. In the automation tab, go to your task node, and here how we can assign or how we can get credential variable for your task node. So just click on the credentials, and in the credential package, one action is available, assign, take this action into the workspace, and you just need to click on this choose button, and here you can see your credential variable which is we have put in the locker. So this variable you can see or visible for you here in the locker tab. So click on this and credential. In the credential, I have created this login credential variable and attribute, which attribute you want to get. So I want to get the password, so we can get a password attribute. Right. So using this method or this logic, you can get your password from, you can get your attribute, or you can get your credential variable for your utility purpose or your task bot. Right. So this question is very important for the interview, how we can get credential variable into the password, or how we can utilize credential variable. If you want to get only password field, how we can get, then using this method we can get password or any attribute we can get. Right. So here are a few best practices to remember. Never store plain text, password in variables or comments. Right. Plain text, that means here in secure string, here you can say any password, but uh, it's visible for everyone. It's not hidden or encrypted. So this is we need to avoid these type of variables. Right. So always use credential vault for login tasks, to use a role-based access control to restrict sensitive data access. Right. So you can also use environment variables for non-sensitive configurations like URLs, but always use credential vault for password. So, and that's how you securely manage sensitive data using credential vault in Automation Anywhere A360. So, do let me know if in the comments if you want a full hands-on demo in the next video. So, don't forget to like and share this video with your RPA colleagues. If you found this video helpful, so subscribe button you have to press. And thanks for watching RPA tutorials. So, if you want to create more interview questions or RPA related videos, so comment down below. I will try to make a separate video on that. So thank you for watching.